Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're a girly girl and you love having your makeup with you all the time, you might want to consider this awesome palette from Pinelife. This palette is super sturdy. It has a complete magnetic palette that's ready for you to add all of your favorite shadows or blushes. Basically anything that will magnetize to this is going to stay nice and in place. Even with my tests, you can see that everything stayed in here. It was completely safe, proving to me that this is great for travel. It's also a generous size, so it's 8 by 5 by 5, so there's plenty of room to transfer even from other palettes into this one so that I can keep everything together. Not only is the cover on this beautiful, but I love this concept because often I buy shadows that I always end up forgetting are in my space, but this will keep everything together so that I can make sure I have lots of options when I'm getting ready. The palette is beautiful with this 3D design cover. It feels like a painting and I really love looking at it up close. They have other designs as well, but overall this is just such an awesome idea. So great to keep everything together and to keep it beautifully ready for me whenever I need to use it. But that's just my point of view.